Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Manintar Kaur from Rainbow Craftykari store. We are back with one more amazing texture and you will going to love this texture. The festive season has already been arrived and this texture you can apply it anywhere. I have already gave a one coat of gesso on my candle stand. So I have already decided my color combinations. You can use any color combinations you want. What we are going to do is just apply like that, here and there. Whatever the position, whatever the direction is coming, it doesn't have to be anything in a permanent way. Now we are going to take a second color. This is blue straight. And now we are going to use our third color. I am using the radical raspberry color. The paint has been dried completely. I have dried for like 4 to 5 minutes and now we are going to do one top coat over here. I have choose this sunny yellow color. We are going to use our towel or we can use wet wipe. I'm going to wet my towel. I'm not squeezing it much. I need a water in it. My idea will be to give some stencil effect on the bottom part of the candle stand. So I will going to rub from the top to bottom only. See this texture, how the palette knives which have left a texture behind after coloring the yellow paint, and now we are distressing it, and these lines, these textures giving such a beautiful effect. I'm going to dry it and I will give a coat of varnish in the end. And with this, our candle stand has been completed. I'm just loving the textures came out on this candle stand. If you have any questions, any queries, feel free to ask me. Thank you so much for joining my tutorials. Wishing you all a very happy festive season.